when she has a crowd of people watching her, she just lights up and gets super enthusiastic. She also is a comedian too. Look at you! Woo! She does just the silliest things that I could never expect. I always tell people her biggest hobby is saying hi to people.
Say hi. she's like, I am the star.
If we're ever at stoplights and people will see us, she'll be giving them a whole show. But the first few months, I didn't know if we would be able to make her happy again. Baby was not found by me. She was rescued by a family friend, and that woman's name was Paula. And she found Baby just neglected, abused, abandoned at this estate sale. There was nothing with her that determined who she was and where she came from. We actually didn't even know her name. They just assumed her name is Baby because she would go, "Hi, baby, hi, baby." And Paula eventually contacted me and she was like, "Okay, this isn't working out with our baby and my husband." That's where our story began. I also was recovering from my own domestic situation. I really was struggling at that time that I had met Baby and we had to work together.
Say hi.
It was hard to get her out of her cage.
Go back in.
She was plucking her feathers a lot. It was heartbreaking to see her so anxious, but with time, patience, and love, she slowly started to trust me. I started socializing her, taking her to live music and restaurants. And then she became my chatty, loving, and playful companion. And I'd never seen her dance before, and she was headbanging and dancing for the crowd. She became a crowd pleaser. Most people loved seeing her, and she loved seeing them. Watching her blossom, I honestly feel like my quality of life even got better. She makes me laugh, she makes me smile, and she reminds me what really matters in life. Seeing how far she's come helps me know one thing for sure, that her future is as bright as she is.
If you are rescuing or thinking of adopting an exotic animal, please make sure to contact professionals and do your research so that they can have the best life possible.